Hi, it's Marion. Today we're talking all about the RAID log. What is a RAID log? A RAID log is a simple way to track and monitor risk, assumptions, issues, and decisions as they are identified throughout the project lifecycle. And you will be using this RAID log all throughout the project, from the beginning right down to the end. A RAID log is used to capture these risk, assumptions, issues, and decisions. And you document any potential risk in the beginning, but if they actually turn into risk, you should update that as you go. And so you're updating and you're using this as you go along in the project. If there's any decision, you document it. If there's any assumptions, you document it. Most of the time the assumptions come in the beginning of the project, which is fine, and then hopefully you don't have to document any issues, but if there are any, you document that as well. And then as you tell in the next slide, I will walk you through what the relog looks like. It should be updated. If there's any decision, update when it happened, why, just so that in the future you can just go back to it. If you're asked, why did you make this decision in this particular project? Not you, but why did the stakeholders or project sponsor make this, you'll be able to answer as to why. And so it ensures clear reasoning uh, captured for key decisions within the project. Okay, so yes, this is what the RAID log looks like. It has the category, the date it was identified, the priority level, item title, item description, the person that it's assigned to, the status of it, the date that it was resolved, if it's resolved, and then the resolution and the notes. And I added some fictional examples. And so we have a risk here, the date, the level is pretty high. It's a limited budget. That's always high. That's an issue. So the initial budget for this project is limited, right? Who is it assigned to? Bill Scott. I'm guessing the finance person. We've not started going into detail about it, but we'll have to request for additional funds from the business. If they don't have additional funds, then we have to make some movement and changes. An assumption is medium, the team member availability. So now we're assuming the team member availability has to be validated because we're not sure if everyone will be available for the project. So that's in progress. Now we're saying here in the notes, about 80% of team member availability validated. So there's still some more to go. And then we have an issue. Whoa, that's low though. So that's good. The system's build timeline. The system build timeline has to be extended due to team member availability. We've closed that out. We need to, okay, so that's why that was an error. There is resolution date for the issue needs to be added in there, and then the assumption date needs to be taken out. So all of these are things you have to pay attention to detail. So due to the team member availability, the timeline for the build has to be extended. And then we have a decision. The system go live date has been determined that it will go live December 1st. So that's that for the RAID log. It's pretty simple, straight to the point, but a document that would definitely be helpful as you go along in the project. Super, super important. Are you aspiring to enter the world of project management, but you're feeling lost on where to start? Let me guide you through every step of the journey, from crafting a standout resume and finding the perfect roles to mastering interview techniques and negotiating an ideal salary. I've got you covered on all of that. Plus, I'll be sending you job alerts twice every week. I'll also ensure that your LinkedIn profile shines bright, drawing recruiters to you like a magnet. With my expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to excel in the competitive field of project management. So don't wait. Go to www.pathwaystopm.com/coaching today.